Cleveland, Ohio, HVAC and Refrigeration Contractor Bond. What is the Cleveland, Ohio, HVAC and Refrigeration Contractor Bond? A Cleveland, Ohio, HVAC and Refrigeration Contractor Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, maintain, repair, or service heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems within the city. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with local building codes, licensing requirements, and applicable regulations. The bond involves three parties: the contractor, principal, the city of Cleveland, obligee, and the surety company that issues the bond. Why is Cleveland, Ohio, HVAC and Refrigeration Contractor Bond required? The City of Cleveland requires this bond to help protect the public and ensure that HVAC and refrigeration contractors perform their work according to established standards. It provides a form of financial recourse for customers or the city if a contractor violates regulations, causes damages, or fails to fulfill contractual obligations. By requiring a bond, the city promotes accountability and helps maintain the safety and quality of HVAC and refrigeration services. How Cleveland, Ohio, HVAC and Refrigeration Contractor Bond. Once the bond is issued, the surety guarantees that the contractor will follow all applicable laws, codes, and licensing requirements while performing work. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations and a valid claim is filed, the surety may compensate the harmed party up to the bond amount. The contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any claims paid, making the bond a safeguard rather than insurance for the contractor. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.